Hey there. Ever wondered if that burnt piece of toast you had for breakfast might be more than just an unfortunate mishap? Well, today I'm diving into the shocking truth about burnt toast and its potential cancer risk. You might think it's just a bit of extra crunch, right? But here's the deal. The black charred parts of toast or any overcooked starchy foods like fries or chips contain high levels of a chemical called acrylamide. Acrylamide forms when starchy foods are cooked at high temperatures, like frying, baking, or roasting. So why is acrylamide bad news? Studies have shown that long-term exposure to acrylamide can increase the risk of cancer. Yeah, I know, it sounds pretty scary. Acrylamide interferes with the DNA in our cells, which can lead to the development of cancerous cells over time. It's definitely something to think about next time you reach for that extra crispy fry, but don't panic. There's a simple way to lower your risk. The key is to avoid over-toasting or over-frying your foods. Aim for a light golden color instead of a dark burnt one. Not only will this reduce acrylamide levels, but it'll also make your food taste better. Win-win, right? And it's not just toast and fries. This tip applies to anything starchy you cook. So whether you're baking cookies or roasting potatoes, keep an eye on that oven or fryer. Your future self will thank you.